Happy New Year and Merry Holidays and all that. Oof. How you doing, folks? Oh, I'm doing quite well, as you can tell. It's time to announce the winners of the holiday giveaway. And first and foremost, I must say thank you to all of you out there who participated and caught and reported the scammer so fast that by the time I found out about it and went to go deal with it, YouTube had already gotten enough reports from you guys that they dealt with it and booted them, blocked them and deleted them. Good job, everybody. Good job, good job. So let's get on with the giveaway portion of the giveaway announcements. As I always say, I will always announce winners in this kind of a format. I will never, ever message you below. I might ask you to comment something below to confirm your account later after I've announced who you are as a winner, but I will never tell you that you're the winner via the messages like that. Anyway, I digress. Let's get on to the winnings, as we said. So let's start off first and foremost, right out the gate. Now I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the announcement. I had pulled names in the order that I announced the prizes, so no particular order, but here we go. The first winner for the, the Petra Tools mini fogger is, are you ready for it? Ted Farmer 1583. You win the Petra Tools thing. So is what I need you to do, and I need all of the winners to do this, and I have ways of checking to make sure you are who you say you are. So email me at this email right here, the winners. I'll repeat this every time, but here we go. CANNABEARDgrows@gmail.com. And we'll get you sorted. Right on. Congratulations, congratulations. So, on to number 2. Man, my chair is squeaky. I apologize. I'm going to try to stop wiggling my butt. Number 2 is the ACINFINITY sprayer. 2 sprayers in a row. I know. What the heck? It is what it is. The ACINFINITY sprayer goes to Eric Brown 6070. Congratulations. And once again, I need you to email me here at this address, CANNABEARDgrows@gmail.com, and we'll get you sorted. Congratulations, right on. And moving on down the list there. Moving on down the list seems to be Coastal Mary Beans, magical beans from Coastal Mary. And the winner of that one is, drumroll please, Riverbend. Heck yeah. My boy Riverbend. Nice. Riverbend wins. Awesome. Congratulations, my man. Once again, email me at this address, CANNABEARDgrows@gmail.com, and we'll get you sorted. Cheers, brother. And on to the next one. So we got, next is the Grove bags. Yeah, the Grove bags, man. I love these things. And the winner for this one would be 519 Oliviera. Isn't that a pasta brand? Nice, I like the pasta. Anyway, you win! Once again, email me here at CANNABEARDgrows@gmail.com. You guys are all gonna know my email like heart just from my watching this video, whether you win or not. Sorry about that, everybody. I probably shouldn't have spammed it so much. I probably just should have said it at the end, but I've done what I've done, and congratulations. Right on. And on to the 5th and final winner of the main stuff. We got a couple of extra giveaways. I got a good idea in a stream the other day, and I decided to pull 2 extra winners and just send them some sticker packets. Nothing huge, but I can send you some of the pretty growing rare sticker sets. Anyway, the final prize package is the MARSHYDRO ventilation fan system. So to that one, drum roll please, the winner is GROWGARAGE 5129. You win. Once again, and finally, get a hold of me at this address, CANNABEARDGROWS@gmail.com, and we will get you sorted. Congratulations. And thank you everybody for playing, everybody for joining in here. Once again, I do have 2 more, like, I guess I want to say honorable mentions. One of them I thought was a nice comment, though, so I just said, you know what, I'm going to pick you as my first runner-up, because I was just kind of like running through the comment numbers, and I noticed it, although it wasn't one of the generated number picks, so I wanted to be fair, but I still wanted to give you a prize, because I thought it was a good comment. And the other one was just a random one, so anyway, drum roll please. First comment is, this was the comment actually that I thought was kind of, nobody ever asks me if yeah, I never thought about it like that. I never asked for anything. Maybe a thumbs up on a video, subscribe. That's about all I ever really want from you guys. But that's good, you know. It won you a sticker pack, so congratulations. Once again, get a hold of me at the email and we'll get you sorted, right? Good. Cheers. And one more for the sticker packet. Right here. Oh my goodness. Dino the Troll. Uh-oh. Did I just let a troll win? Whatever. You win. If you want a sticker packet, send me a message, give me your address, and I'll send you a sticker packet. That's it, everybody. So thank you, everyone that participated. Thank you, everyone, for a wonderful year. Thank you, everyone, for the kind thoughts and messages in the comments in my inboxes and stuff. I appreciate it. I really do. I would normally get back to every single comment. However, due to the contest, there's so many comments. I'm gonna try to get back and message a couple of them and you know, like and respond to some of them. I try and respond to all comments, always. I try to, but I can't do them all. I try. Anyway, thank you very much for the last year. Let's make this next year friggin' even better and grow stronger and better. And yeah, I'll see you on one of my 2 channels. Cheers. Actually, it's 3 channels. 4 if you include Twitch. Holy crap. How am I not burnt out? Well, the secret is I'm always burnt out. Bye, everybody. Much love.